What's up, everyone? I thought it would be a good PSA to point out that if your MacBook bottom is all like smushed up or out or seems funny at all, or maybe your trackpad is lifting up on your MacBook, it's because the battery's slowly exploding on the inside. So these should not look like pillows. That's actually the battery cell exploding and crazy lithium-ion chemicals getting a bit agitated. So that means it's time to call up the local tech guys, Revival Tech Repair, and come get a local repair job fix.